Hi, good afternoon. This is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. We're here in Manhattan Beach today, where we've just installed a few of our Majestec invisible security screen doors on our customer's home. I'll point out here, this is our security screen door. It looks much like a regular insect screen. There's no unsightly bars or grills. But if we take a closer look, this is our marine grade stainless steel security mesh, which cannot be cut with a knife or any sort of hand tools. It can't be knocked and broken free from its frame. On all of our doors we offer a heavy-duty multi-point locking system. So not only do we have a deadbolt at the center, we also have a large upper and lower hook that come out of the door and lock itself in 3 places into its own frame. We'll take a look inside real quick here also and point out why we call these invisible security screens. This is the visibility that the customer has when they're inside their home looking out. Their visibility and view is not obstructed by bars or grills, but the mesh virtually disappears from eyesight, allowing perfect view out of the home. We also offer our product for windows. We make single hinged doors, French doors, sliding patio doors, and windows. All openings on your home can be secured with our product. We thank you for joining us today. If you ever have any questions about our product, you can give us a call at 855-MAJESTEC or check us out on the web at majestecsocal.com. We thank you for joining us today, and we're sure we'll talk to you real soon.